Hello children, welcome back to my class. Today we are going to learn about wonderful ways, English lesson 2. First of all, I will read the lesson and explain in Mizo. Listen carefully about the explanation. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Maharaja ti chu lal ti na niya. Travancore ti hi India rama state pakhat Kerala state an lal rambung pakhat mingani. Ti chuan vai khat chu Travancore lal Maharaja hianin alal ina khanin roi ro pui deuh mai hi abuat sayani. In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. So nulam malo ni chuan tlaya royan the ma khan Maharaja chu lal ti na kan ti to kha Maharaja chu chauka a khan kalin an roi che na tura tan khanin eng tinge an buat sai en tur khan chauka khan avakalani. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. Ti chuan Maharaja chuanin cook bula o cook chu rong bol tu ania e siam tu kha. Ti chuanin Maharaja chuanin cook bula basket vegetable scraps thai ning noi thai bang noi om kha kokin heng thai ning noi hi engtin nge iti don ti in azotani. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." Ti chuan cook pa chuanin achiania kan pai mayang chu ti in a chang ani. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Heng ang thai bang noi te hi ipai ral mai the lawang atiane. Find a way to use them, the Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. Chuan Maharaja chuanin chu ipai bo mai the lawang a man na tur ingai to angai ani ti in thu pe khau tak me kha apea akal san le ta deya. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Ti chuan cook pa chu aril ru kha boy khop meya amang ang khop meya khang thai bang noi te kha an mel renga hun enge mo chen chu an en renga. Suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. Ti chuan vai le khata aril ruwa chuan ti dan tur kha aron om ta thut mai ni ti dan tur kha ngai to chuak ta ni chu. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. Ti chuan chung thai bang noi ning noi ho te chu an la khom veka avai chuan fai takin an sil ta ni. Then he cut them into long strips. Ti chuan sei deuh khan an chan ta. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Ti chuanin belian puya chuan da in meya chuan an chum ta an chuang ta ni. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. Chuan chutia chuan zo a chuanin coconut chu kan hrianga kan hu fo thina e point e fo thina. Chuan green chilies mo mar cha hring te tin purun var te khang kha an rot pol som ta ni an rot som pol ta. Hei hi green chilies chu nia mar cha hring ti na ni me green chilies chu chuan hei hi garlic purun var ani mo purun var ti na nia garlic chu chuan green chilies chu marcha hring ti na ni. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. Ti chuan kha a chaw me chum lai me ka khan khang thil a chaw pol a rot pol mo green chilies te garlic te mo purun var te coconut te le marcha hring ho a rot pol ho kha a chaw me chum lai me ka chuan an tela tin chu ba ka chi kha an albok ani chu. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Ta chuan le thil rim tui deuh mai bela tang khan a ron chuak ta ni mo rim tui deuh mai kha ron om ta. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. Chuanin tuna chuan curd bong nu te thur khal an ti mai a mizo tong chuan khatiang ang le o khang bong nu te thur khal curd an ti mai kha an chok phuan ta whip ti hi chok phuan ti na ni mai a an chok phuan ta chu a chaw phon chu a chaw me siam lai me ka khan an tel le ta ni chu. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Ti chuan chu ba ka chuanin coconut oil mo coconut tel kha fian tlem te kha a chaw me siam lai a chuan a tel le a pol le a chuan chu me zo a chuanin curry leaves mo curry na khan a chei moi le ta ni hei hi curry leaves chu ni mo curry leaves chu hei hi ni a rim tui em mai a curry leaves hi thil thlai rim tui tak mai ni a chaw me a han thak te hianin chaw me a ti rim tui thei em ani ti kha lo sia ila. Lo and behold, ole ente ule the new dish was ready. A tur thar chu siam pe ni ta mo siam zo ta ni chu. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Ti chuan chu cook chuan chu rong bol tu chuanin khami tlaya an mi khwal te tan khan tur thar lam tak mai chu alo siam chuak ta ni chu. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. Mitin mai chuanin chu a tur thar siam chu a ming kha an she chak ta. The cook thought and thought. Ti chuan siam tu pa chuan cook chuanin a ming tur kha an ngai tua char ta. Then a name came to his mind. Ti chuan a ming tur kha a ril ruwa khan a ron lang le ta ni. He named it a vial. A ming atan chuan a vial a wa ta ni. A vial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. A vial chu Kerala state ta chuan tuna chuan a ming thang to khop meya halar khop meya Kerala state ami tena an nam roi che pui an nei apianga an ei vezia thin pakhat tel vezia ani to ni. And imagine it all came from a basket of waste. Han ngai to tala chu thil chu basket khai bang noi mai pairal tura anti kukin pairal mai atum kha khata tanga tur tui tak lo in siam ta kani ti kha ril ru in lo ngai to ta ila. Voina kan zirlai wonderful ways ti chang hian thil tlem tham te le ho deuh nia kan ngai pai ral mai tur anga kan ngai te po hian lutna an nei veka chuwang chuan kan thil man nu te le thil tlem te kan nei te po hi pai ral mai lawa aman na tur kan ngai to chin apoi mo ema chu tianga kan ti chin chuan sum tam tak kan khol thei pha don ani ti kha sha ila a tha ome. So that is enough for today. I will give you some notes today. You will copy in your notebook neatly, and I will give you assignment also. Here is your note that I'm going to give you. Copy in your notebook neatly and carefully. This is your home assignment. Read it carefully and try to answer them. And submit your answer to me through WhatsApp. Ole khati zong kha voina kan zir thei te chu nia. Uluk dewin in lo ngai thla anga in lo enanga. Ti chuan khang note le home assignment kan in pek te kha in notebook a thadewin in lo zia kanga in lo ti anga. Ti chuan khang home assignment te kha WhatsApp in ron submit anga ka hne na ti chuan thadewin ti in lo tum don nia lo me